Hey guys, Search Exclusive here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could get started with affiliate marketing for free in 5 easy steps. So let's get started. So before we get started, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically referring people to products. So let's say I did a review on these JBL speakers and people click through my unique link and I get a commission out of it. It's that simple, guys. So yeah, let's get started with this video. Step number 1 is find a niche. Find something you're passionate or something you love learning about. You don't really have to be an expert to start promoting stuff. All you gotta know is 1% more than the other guys. To get started with affiliate marketing, you don't really need any experience. That's why I love doing affiliate marketing, because it's zero down on investments and stuff like that. So you could literally get started for free just by doing something you're passionate about. Step 2 is to get an Instagram account or a YouTube account. You must get an Instagram account or YouTube to get started for free. There's no other way to get started for free not using these two platforms. But I highly recommend using YouTube more because there's more traffic. You could rank easier on YouTube. Instagram, the only con about it is that you gotta grow your followings, and it takes time to grow your followings. You could also start both of them and start growing your channel and your Instagram account. Step 3, find an affiliated program. If you're a beginner, I highly recommend to start with Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is easy to get into, and all you need is a YouTube channel to start promoting Amazon's products. Some affiliated programs do require a website for you to get approved, but Amazon Associates, all you need is a YouTube channel. But I do highly recommend in the future to start creating a website so you could scale more and be more trustworthy. So yeah, guys, let me show you how you guys could sign up with Amazon Associates. So let's get into my computer real quick. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how you guys could join Amazon Associates. Just click on join now for free, and I'll just give it time to load up, and then basically just put everything, put your pay name, address line, stuff like that. Just put everything, then put your website, mobile, app list. You don't really need a website. All you guys could do is put go to YouTube, put YouTube on it, or just put YouTube. That's all you guys gotta put. .com. Yeah, just put youtube.com and then click next. It's pretty easy, guys. Just fill out everything out. If you guys don't know how to fill this out, just go right here. They'll show you stuff like that. So yeah, guys, so that's basically it. I'm gonna go back and show you some more steps on how you can start with affiliate marketing for free. Step number 4 is create content. Always be on time on creating content. Have a schedule set up for you guys, and it has to be high quality. It doesn't have to be perfect, just has to be good enough to where people will love your content. Nobody's perfect. Nobody could pull out a good high quality, especially if you're a beginner. Just be consistent on what you do. Have a schedule. Do it once a week, every day, or every other day. Just be consistent. Have a schedule for you guys. You can also hire somebody to do like scripts for you or do voiceovers for you guys. There's a website called Fiverr where you could do that as low as $5. Guys, I'll leave the link below. Step number 5 is distribute. basically what I mean by this is you gotta promote your YouTube channel, promote your affiliate offers. If you get 0 views, how many sales are you gonna get? 0, right? So just promote your YouTube channel, your Instagram account through social medias, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Reddit, other kind of sites. Just promote it. Make sure you get views. Make sure you just promote it, and make sure you do it with the niche you're doing it. Just don't promote it anywhere. If someone's into cats and you're doing like dog collars, they're not gonna get a dog collar from you. They want to get cat stuff, right? Yeah, guys. So just promote it. Promote it in your niche. There's different kinds of ways you guys could promote your videos. There's paid traffic, free traffic. If you want better results, I suggest to go into paid traffic. But if you're a beginner, I know you guys don't have that kind of budget, so just do free traffic. It takes work. You gotta put in the work if you guys don't want to pay for the traffic. So yeah, guys, this ends my video for today. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. If it did, smash that like button. Comment below if you guys have any questions. I will start doing videos on affiliate marketing every Friday. So if you guys wanna subscribe, and you can also follow me on any of my social media platforms. They're all the same. Surge_exclusive. Follow me Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and I will be to get updates, and I will start doing giveaways soon. So hopefully you guys stay tuned into that. So yeah, guys, see you later in my other video. Later, peace.